Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about a mix of colors and textures, like juicy strawberries, sweet blueberries, and crisp melon. Wash all your chosen fruits thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or residues. Have a large mixing bowl ready, along with a sharp knife and a cutting board. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable salad-making process. Now, let's focus on selecting and cutting your fruits. For melons, look for a sweet aroma and a slight give at the blossom end. Cut larger fruits, such as pineapple or cantaloupe, into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes. This ensures every spoonful is a delightful mix. Remember to remove any seeds from grapes or watermelon and peel citrus fruits completely, discarding the white pith for a better taste. The dressing is key to elevating your fruit salad. A simple yet effective option is whisking together the juice of 1 lemon or lime with 2 tablespoons of honey. For an extra layer of flavor, you might add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a few finely chopped fresh mint leaves. Pour this dressing over your prepared fruit in the large mixing bowl. Gently toss everything together until all the fruit is evenly coated and glistening. To allow the flavors to meld beautifully, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This also ensures a refreshing experience. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the fridge, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.